Good morning, esteemed principals, teachers, parents, talented students, and incredible team of organizers behind this event. I am indeed honored to be here today as the chief guest for Compudon Junior Session 5 India Awards. Time flies pretty fast, and it was not long when I had the privilege to launch Compudon Junior Season 1, and today we are celebrating the fifth season of this championship. To begin with, I would want to commend the very talented organizing team of Compudon Junior for creating such an impactful platform. I would also like to acknowledge the role of school principals for adopting this championship and providing this platform to their students to learn 21st century skills. Competitions like this are a great way to equipping students with essential skills needed to thrive in the digital age. The theme of the Compudon Championship is digital literacy, cybersecurity, and critical thinking. These are not just technical skills, but today are life skills. I'm happy to see that nearly 10,000 young minds have benefited from this championship and will be growing into future leaders and innovators. My dear participants, today, whether you take an award or not, to my mind, you are already a winner because the real achievement is in the knowledge and skills that you have gained, which will serve you for life. I have spent nearly 3 decades in the tech industry, and I see every day how the world is changing. Cybersecurity is one of the most crucial skills that we all need. The risks of the digital world, privacy concerns, cyberbullying, predators, deepfakes, misinformation are all very real. But I'm glad that with the knowledge that you have gained through the Compudon Junior Championship, you'd be better prepared to navigate these challenges and do well. In fact, you can build up on the knowledge that you acquired today with future certifications on security which are available from Microsoft. To share a perspective with you, the global cost of cybercrime is expected to reach $10.5 trillion by 2025, up from 3 trillion in 2015. Organizations use over 80 tools to manage their environments. There are 4 million unfilled security jobs. MS has seen over 10x increase in password attacks, going from 3 billion to 30 billion in the same time frame year over year. And 80 to 90% of successful ransomware originates through unmanaged devices. Microsoft is deeply committed and is investing over $20 billion over the next 5 years to advance its security solutions. This includes $150 million to help US government agencies upgrade protections and expand cybersecurity training. Microsoft emphasizes a security first approach in product design and operations. This includes conducting detailed security threat reviews, adopting secure design patterns, and continuously improving security controls. I also learned that in the coming season 6, Compudon Junior is adding media literacy to the championship curricula. While digital literacy remains the foundation, but we live in an age where misinformation and biased news can spread as quickly as facts. So I think learning to evaluate and interpret information and understanding the right ways to search is critically essential for everyone. So we believe at Microsoft in the transformative power of technology, but it's not just the technology that shapes the future, it's the people behind it. The skills that you're developing, digital literacy, media literacy, cybersecurity, critical thinking, are preparing you to solve the world's challenges and build a better tomorrow. Um, And I would like to say that India's potential in the global technology landscape is tremendous. It's the events and programs like Compidon that contribute to nurturing creativity and sharpening your potential. And I encourage every school to provide such unique opportunities for applied learning. And as I said earlier, that whether you get an award or not, just remember that the true reward lies in the skills and resilience that you build. Every challenge is a stepping stone to success. So, the skills that you have learned in this championship will help you unlock tremendous opportunities and face several challenges with confidence. Compidon Junior is an incredible way to develop essential skills for the future. And in the end, I would like to express my deep admiration for Mr. Pankaj Rai and Mrs. Sheetal Rai, the visionaries behind Compidon Junior. Your dedication and hard work have created a transformative platform for so many young minds, inspiring and preparing them for a digital future. Thank you for empowering the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovators. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you and God bless you all.